Hey everyone, it is Andrea and today is new release day, Monday of new releases. I don't know. We're going over the new releases for this week. I did want to let you know that today Kirsten will be starting to pack up your anniversary orders, so that is exciting. And I'm excited for y'all to get all the mystery things in your hands. I will have a reveal video up, I think on Thursday or Friday or Wednesday. One of those days there'll be a reveal video up. If you want to know the exact date, comment down below and I will respond. And let's go into this week's new releases. So this week's new releases, so cute. Another week where I did do the 3 kits instead of 4 just so that we can get caught up on production. But what my current plan is this week that you're watching this is going to be fulfillment of anniversary orders, and then next week is going to be last week's new releases and this week's new releases order fulfillment. So those will both be fulfilled next week. That is what I'm hoping for, and then we'll be back on our normal schedule. First things first is we have 2 new characters. These ones are definitely for me if you know me. So this is number 76 and 77. So this is Sarah and Jareth. I already used one of these to mark getting my Sarah tattoo. Well, the second session. I still have one more session. I'm just lazy. And I just love these. They are from the Labyrinth. And it's kind of like the ballroom scene and then just his kind of normal outfit there. Then I have new Scribblers this week. This is going to be number 41. Oh my goodness, I don't even have the color of the week with me. I was waiting for that to come home, but I will go ahead and put a picture. It's like a light pink color, I believe. Yeah, I'll put it right here real quick. That's the color of the week. I don't have it with me. I'll post a picture of it on Instagram if you want to see it. But yeah, I totally forgot that I needed that, and I will need to take a picture of it later. But these are the Scribblers, and this is number 41, and they are holding a little fork and knife and have their little tiny tongue sticking out. It's so cute. And then, yeah, for the color of the week, it will be available Wednesday through Sunday, and there will be the buy all bundle. There is the Scribblers. There's the whole 9. If I remember, I'll even try and put in a little video. Also, almost forgot to throw this in. We do have a foil bundle this week, and this is from the last month's mystery extras, and it is just the silver confetti, just so perfect to have on hand whenever you just need something simple and silver to sparkle things up. So this is just the regular confetti bundle, and it will be on special pricing as always from Wednesday at noon Eastern when it goes live through Sunday. So definitely a staple to have on hand. The next thing I have in here is going to be I remember what mystery, it's the Boardwalk mystery. Was that March? April? March mystery? April mystery? I can never remember, but this is the extras and then the additional colors. So this here, let me show you it in silver. So there is the full box here with the cotton candy. You have the ticket bottom washi, which would be so cute for so many different things, like even like a movie theater kit with the bows. That's so cute with the little bunting banner. And then you have some little icons and deco bits. And these are just so stinking cute. I love them, I love them, I love them. So it will come in gold, silver, rose, hollow, sparkly hollow, champagne lights, lavender hollow, and matte bronze. I thought this one would be good in all of the colors. It's great to add to like a confetti, a shimmer, a sparkle, a star foil bundle even, to just pizzazz it up a little and make it a little bit more themed. Speaking of stars, we do have the star underlays this week. These were premiered, I believe, in Hollow in the Advent last year. So this will be available in gold, silver, rose, hollow, sparkly hollow, matte bronze, and gold. Matte bronze, I think just randomly we had an extra 500. So I'm not really sure where they came from, but figured we have them, might as well list them. And then the black. So love those. Will be available Wednesday with everything else. And then let's go through the kits. Let me show you the reformat first, and then I'll show you the new to shop art, one being new exclusive art. So the first kit here is the reformat for the week, and this is Rainy Street. I've seen a lot of people use this over the last like month or two in my tags, and I was like, oh my goodness, I guess we need to make sure we bring her back ASAP. So this is Rainy Street, so it's like a rainy shopping kit, and it's perfect for those rainy weeks or just as an anytime kit. Realistically, I think you could use this in the spring, the summer, the fall, but even in the winter, like it doesn't really snow here too much in Texas, so I feel like this would be great for Texas winter. in the new format, and then the freebie is the doodle freebie. And I just think this kit is so pretty. I've seen so many really cool foil combos with this one. I think like I would personally probably just do like silver, but I feel like a rose, a gold, rose gold, matte bronze, matte silver, silver, hollow, like all of those be really, really pretty. Or like Planet Hannah's almond would be pretty with as well. There is add-on options and also the mini kit. So you have label 1, label 2, and then there is also 2 different fashion options. This is fashion option 1, fashion option 2, doodle, functional, and ombre. We love that. The next kit here is another summer kit. This one is Seaside Serenity, and I love the colors in this. It really takes me back to like the early planning days with the pink and like the seafoam and the navy. It just reminds me of early planning. I love this like beach library. I think that is so stinking cute, and it's just everything. It's very serene, very pretty. I love these colors. I love these boxes. They're so cute. These patterns are so beautiful. And I love the bottom washi. I think that's so fun. And then the freebie and the ultimate and the mini is the extra fashion boxes to swap that one out if you would like. So that is Seaside Serenity. It also comes in a mini kit. And then add-on options wise, you have the doodle, you have the label sampler, the label 2, which is this gorgeous yellow. I feel like you need to bring it in. It was a really struggle trying to pick colors because there was a lot of good ones in this. The functional and the ombre. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I feel like foil, this would be really fun with gold or silver or a mix of both. I feel like you could also do like sparkly hollow to make it really, really fun, or like a light blue, or like navy would be really fun. I think navy foil would be really pretty with this as well. And then last but not least, we do have an exclusive art, and this is called Theme Park. I wanted to do a new updated general theme park kit. We had one for a mystery. It was like 2 or 3 years ago, but I just wanted to do something updated because this was requested, and there's like a little water park scene there as well. So you have like the Ferris wheel, cotton candy stand, you have the water slide, you kind of have like an overview of the theme park. You have a flat lay with the map and the funnel cake, the cheese fries, the camera and the sunglasses, the hand holding a churro, a fanny pack, and a little fun drink there as well. And I just think this is a really fun kit that's just going to be great for, I feel like it could even go good for like a carnival or a fair or like a festival of sorts like that. Or even if you wanted to use this for a boardwalk, I think it could work as well. You also have a hand holding like a swirl cone. It's so good. Soft serve. And then a hand holding some cotton candy. Super pretty colors. Love everything about this. And then the extra box there is like the little carnival type games. And then the freebie is the tall box, which is of like a upside down roller coaster, which I think is so fun. I'm definitely going to be using this summer. Am I going to a theme park? I don't know. Maybe I'll have to go to like Six Flags or something, but this is so fun. And then it also comes in the mini kit. Again, this is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. There is going to be the doodles if you want to add it on, the label 2, which is a really pretty orange. There is a fashion option, so you have like a tall box and then the 2 regular size boxes, ombre, as well as the functional. And y'all, that is everything for this week. I hope you like this week's new releases. I just think it's all so beautiful, so gorgeous, and so fun. Let me know in the comments down below what you're most excited to pick up, and if you're excited to see the reveal this week. And I think like, what is it, next week or the next week we'll have the mystery reveal up? I feel like it's just reveals all over the place. Definitely want to do, since I have so many of those pop culture art still, definitely want to do some more mysteries of those. I have one done that I feel like gives me summer vibes without being summer themed that I think I want to put up next. It's like a, definitely nostalgic. I think it's like an 80s movie, but I've hinted at it and I've gotten a lot of messages about it. Like, hey, if it's done, just like throw it in my order and invoice me. And I'm like, y'all, I haven't released it yet. So that one I think I'm going to come out with next, but it's super fun. It's a very, very, very popular 80s movie. I think it's 80s, right? Let me just give it a little Google before y'all start thinking about what it could be. I'll tell you the year actually. 1982. So yeah, it's definitely the 80s. But that is everything. I hope you like this week's new releases, and I will talk to y'all in my next one.